So today we will be dealing with the very important topic of the embryology, that is the spermatogenesis. It is a part or the gametogenesis. So gametogenesis is the synthesis, the process involving the synthesis of gametes. Like in male it's sperm and female it's a oocyte. So this is the spermatogenesis I am dealing. This is very important topic from UG point of view and your NEET PG preparation. Many questions, so every year one question will be asked from your gametogenesis. Okay, so from spermatogenesis, so what is spermatogenesis? It is the formation or synthesis of the sperm from where everyone is derived from a primitive cell. So our primitive cells is your primordial germ cells or primordial sperm cells. Germs has a capacity to divide or to regenerate. Okay, so this is a spermatogonial sperm cell or the stem cell which will give rise to the various spermatozoa or the spermatid and the mature cells. Okay, so what will be happen? So how will you relate? So this is the spermatogenesis is a story of a student who is going to prepare for the MBBS. Like, so what will happen? One student is going to prepare for the MBBS. So what happened? Spermatogonial cells. So this formation, this process is taking place where? In the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules. Okay. So what will happen? So like 10th standard is considered to be the puberty. So what will happen at puberty? These seminiferous tubule, which is solid cords. So what will happen? After 10th, student will decide कि he has to take or she has to take math or she has to take bio. So what will happen? She has to decide. So once she decided, no, I will take biology and I will prepare for MBBS. So what will happen? She become canalized. Means she become definite that she will do that. So there is a process. So solid cord is lying there because there is a no process, no use. So now they become canalized. They have canalized and now process began. So these spermatogonial cells. So after that what will happen? They all decided, no, I will take bio, some take math. And so those cells, we have decided that they will prepare for the MBBS. These are the spermatogonial stem cells. So what will happen? After that what will happen? There are two type of cells. Type A cell and we have a type B cell. Okay. So type A cell or type B cell. B cell are what? They are the dark cell because they have a genetic reserve. Means टाइप बी सेल कैसे स्टूडेंट हैं जिनके पेरेंट्स वेल टू डू हैं, दे हैव रिसोर्सेज एंड दे फील लाइक कि नहीं अभी पहले वी शुड फिनिश आवर 12th एंड देन वी विल एंटर इनटू द प्रिपरेशन फेज. बट देयर इज अ टाइप ए स्टूडेंट्स हु आर वेरी स्टूडियस and pale in color, like they have no genetic material, so they have no reserve no genetic material, so they decide no, we will start preparation. So they become active. So active mitosis will go on in this. So these are the type A cells which will undergo that cycle, and then after that they will enter into that spermatogenesis cycle. Okay, so these active cell will take. So what will happen after that? After that what will happen? These will divide and they will form. This will form what? Primary. This will form primary spermatocyte. So they will form primary spermatocytes. These are the largest cell by the various mitosis division. So now this student, after studying so long, he become this primary spermatocyte. He become very confident. No, I will crack the exam. I am very good. I am really good. So what will happen after that? There will be, this is the now. So what will be? Secondary sperm. I'll make it straight so that So what will happen? So we are reached till the primary spermatocytes. So we will continue the cycle again. So what will happen? There is a primary spermatocyte. So this is this primordial cell, spermatogonial cell. I am again revising. Gonial cell. These will divide mitosis type A, type B. Then what will happen? These two divide and these will form right to primary or the primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. So these are the confident students who are prepared well. Start preparing. They are giving all the tests on all the they are studying all the extra materials and they are becoming the primary spermatocyte. So what will happen? Now they have to. They are sure of cracking the exam. Like they are sure of becoming the secondary spermatocytes. So secondary spermatocytes. But what will happen? So this is the. So now there is a mock test. बहुत सारे tutorial है. You take Akash and everyone take the mock test. Mock test is there. Meiosis 1. So meiosis 1 is what? So now they are subjected to a mock test, that is the meiosis 1, that is the reductional division. Reductional division. So what will happen? What will happen? Reductional division is there, so this will be divided into 2. This is 44 plus xy, so this become 22 plus x and this is 22 plus y. So what will happen? Their confidence, it got half. आधा हो गया confidence. They don't get, after getting the all India rank, they are a topper in their school, but after getting that all India exam, what will happen? Their confidence become half and they are become secondary spermatocytes. So they become very depressed, very depressed. So what will happen? Now what is the role of teacher? That all mitosis, which is like meiotic 2. So they start preparing really hard, they are working really hard, and their teachers, their parents, all are start motivating them. So what will happen? So they will study really hard and start motivating themselves. So what will happen? They did good in second mock test because this is like mitosis, this is division. So they regain their confidence and then become spermatid. Spermatid. They become spermatid. So what again? Again they are working very hard to crack the NEET exam. Now the NEET exam has come and they have to transform into, they have to crack that MBBS exam. They have to go into the NEET. So this is the mature spermatozoa. So they are become very like they really hard. So they undergo rigorous for NEET UG. They go rigorous modification. This is known as spermiogenesis. So this is the process of spermiogenesis, which is the process of conversion of this spermatid into mature spermatozoa. This process is known as spermiogenesis. So spermiogenesis is a very important topic and it is a short note. So what will happen in the spermiogenesis? It is the conversion. Spermatogenesis is the conversion of the spermatid into mature spermatozoa. So this is the spermiogenesis. So what are the various steps which follow in the spermiogenesis? So we can see here one cell will give rise to the 4 spermatid and the 4 spermatozoa. So what is the spermiogenesis and what are the various steps which occur in spermiogenesis? Frequently asked question by the examiner, short question. So this is the metamorphosis, process involving the metamorphosis of the spermatid into spermatozoa. Okay, spermatid into immature spermatozoa. So what will happen? So various steps will be followed. So what are the various steps? Like formation of the acrosome cap. Acrosome cap, which is present at the, this is the sperm, this is the middle piece, and this is the tail. So it has various nuclei, and this is the acrosome cap, which is at the head of the, so this is the acrosome cap. Okay, so what will happen? So this is the formation of the acrosome cap, then organization of the nuclei in the middle piece. So these are the various formation and that tail formation. So all these steps of spermatogenesis will lead right to the mature spermatozoa. So what will happen? So where this mature spermatozoa will go? So now these are the, we will see that cross section of that spermatogonial cell. So these are the spermatogonial cell. These are the primordial germ cell. Okay, these are primordial germ cell, primordial germ cell. Okay, and these are the Sertoli cells. These are the Sertoli cells. These provide nutrition. To these cells. So these seminiferous, these spermatozoa reside in deep recess of seminiferous tubules. So this is the basement membrane. This is the cross section. These are the various cells, spermatogonial cells. These are the deep recess. These are the left. So these spermatozoa, and these are the Sertoli cells. To provide nutrition, and these are the spermatozoa. So these will go into reside into the deep recess of the seminiferous tubules, and these are provided nutrition to this, and they will go stored into epidermis, and from there they undergo maturation, and they gain motility. So epithelium also, histology also asked like in epidermis which type of, so there will be stereocilia will be there. So what is the function is asked, like function is absorption of extra fluid. So this can be asked in your histology also. So epidermis, because histology of epidermis is very important. Testis is also cross section. This is the cross section of testis. So this is also very important for your histology point of view. So these can be asked in histology. So this you have to remember in detail. Like other question may be asked like how much time this spermatogenesis will take place. So 72 to 74 hours are required for the spermatogenesis. So you have to remember this number are required for spermatogenesis. These can be asked in your NEET PG, and then we have 24 hours required for spermiogenesis. So these are the sperms. So mature sperms will be there, but they cannot, they have to undergo a process that is known as capacitation. They have to undergo process capacitation. This is the conditioning. It is very important. It is short note. So this capacitation is what? This is the conditioning of sperm into the female reproductive tract. Okay, so this is the conditioning of the sperm into the female reproductive tract. So what will happen in conditioning? So we have learned that is sperm has what? A chromosome cap and it has seminal proteins. So what will happen in capacitation? What will happen? There will be removal of the acrosome cap. So he has to go inside that bath or the swimming pool. So what will happen? He will remove his coat. So now this sperm has to go into the vaginal fluid. So what will happen? He has to remove his extra covering, that is the acrosome cap, and get rid of its seminal proteins. So by this now the sperm gain motility and it become mature and capacitated. This happened in the female genital. This capacitation, if this is asked, this is for the 7R in the female genital tract. So sperm are now capacitated and now they will undergo into what? They will capacitated and they will undergo the process of the fertilization, which we will deal in our next class. Thank you.